Hey everyone, I had a request for a video to show how to do a laminated dashboard that has a pocket in it, and I had recorded the process and lost the footage somehow, so I just wanted to go over how this was made. It's very simple, and all you do is you get your paper, make sure it's the same size as your dividers that's going to be in your binder. I took a piece of paper that matched the front and I cut it out the size that I wanted the pocket, and I took some art glitter glue and just went around here and glued it on. Then after that I ran it through the laminator and I cut it down. I trimmed it to where there's just enough left that it doesn't open. You don't want to get too close, because then your laminating sheet's going to come apart. Okay, after you have that, you've got this piece right here. You're going to take your little utility knife, craft knife, and you're just going to lightly cut right here all the way down that little lip. And then after you get done cutting that and do it very lightly, you've got your pocket. So that's how, see, you've got a pocket here. That's how you get your pocket after it's been laminated. Then you will take like one of your dividers and line it up, and then you can punch your holes, and then it'll go right in the front of your binder. So I hope that helps, Rachel. It's really easy to do. I'd love to see what you do and post pictures on Cherie's group. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and have a blessed day. Bye.